Imagine waking up one morning to a headline that feels like a dream. Scientists aren't talking about a distant asteroid anymore. They're saying a full-size planet is on a direct collision course with Earth. And not just any planet. Uranus, an ice giant, 4 times wider than our world, has silently drifted from the outer solar system and locked onto a deadly trajectory. At first, it's a joke. Planets don't just crash into each other. But then, the math checks out. Every telescope, every space agency confirms it. The countdown has begun. Weeks before impact, Uranus appears in the night sky, a strange, blue star that doesn't twinkle. Each night it grows larger, brighter, and more unsettling. Its pale cyan glow reflects off our oceans, giving nighttime clouds an eerie, blue edge. Then, the world starts to break. Tides behave erratically. The moon's familiar rhythm is disrupted as Uranus's immense gravity reaches across space, pulling on Earth like a cosmic hand. Coastal cities begin to flood on calm/sunny days. Massive tides sweep inland, dragging ships onto streets and swallowing entire neighborhoods. Earth's crust groans under the strain. Earthquakes ripple across continents in places that have been quiet for centuries. Dozens of dormant volcanoes awaken at once, vomiting ash into an already fearful sky. As Uranus draws closer, it starts tearing at our atmosphere. Satellites plummet from orbit, burning up like a shower of artificial meteors. GPS fails. Global communication fractures. The sky itself no longer feels safe. Then comes the moment it becomes visible during the day. A massive, silent blue disk hanging beside the sun, so large it feels like reality has made a terrible mistake. Panic goes global. Borders and money become meaningless. Only time matters. Hours before impact, the laws of nature are completely rewritten. Earth's oceans lose all restraint. Water is pulled upward by Uranus's gravity, forming colossal walls of liquid and vapor that rise kilometers high. Entire seas migrate toward the impact zone. Winds reach impossible speeds, the air thins, dragged toward space. Then, they touch. It's not an explosion, not at first, just a silent, incomprehensible force as Uranus's outer atmosphere slams into ours at tens of kilometers per second. The friction ignites the sky. The very air begins to burn, wrapping the planet in a global firestorm. Earth's oceans flash into steam, expanding so violently they rip continents from their foundations. The ground liquefies. The crust shatters like thin ice. As Uranus pushes deeper, its gravity crushes our planet's core. The magnetic field collapses, and unfiltered radiation floods the surface. The moon's orbit breaks. It has either flung into deep space or shattered into fragments that rain down on the chaos below. The sky is no longer blue or black. It's a swirling vortex of fire, steam, ice, and glowing gas. Methane from Uranus ignites in strange, twisting blue flames. Life ends violently. As Uranus's icy mantle collides with Earth's molten rock, the temperature difference triggers explosions that dwarf anything humanity has ever conceived. Shockwaves race around the planet again and again, tearing it apart layer by layer. In the end, Earth is no longer a planet, it's debris. The oceans are gone, vaporized into space. The continents are shredded into asteroid-sized fragments. What remains is a deformed, chaotic, hybrid world. Uranus absorbs much of Earth's mass, gaining a new, faint ring system made from our remains rock metal and the silent traces of a civilization that once looked to the stars in wonder. From far away, a future astronomer might see Uranus glowing slightly brighter. They would never know that those rings were once our cities, our forests, our oceans, and billions of lives. Earth doesn't leave a scar, it leaves silence. And in the vast, indifferent cosmos, the solar system continues its journey, proving one brutal truth. Planets do not care who lives on them. Gravity does not negotiate, and even worlds can die. Thanks for watching.